Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about understanding the generation gap.
Oh no, the famous gap between when I was your age and you don't understand me.
Exactly.
It can happen between us and our parents, and also between us and our children.
Sometimes we think the younger generation should live exactly the way we lived.
But the world has changed so much.
Education has changed, work has changed, and even learning has changed.
We used to look for answers in books, but now kids can find information in seconds.
That does not mean everything online is good.
True, but it means their world is different from ours.
Sometimes adults say, back then we were better.
Yes, and then we forget that we also played games on old phones.
The snake game was serious business.
Very serious. High score was a life goal.
But the real point is this: every generation has strengths.
Older people have experience, and younger people have new ideas.
So we do not have to compete with them.
Exactly. We can learn from them and guide them at the same time.
That takes a little humility.
Yes, sometimes we have to drop the ego and stay open to change.
Technology is a good example.
We do not need to give children everything without limits.
But we can give them safe access and teach them how to use it well.
That sounds much better than just saying no phones forever.
Also, children learn fast because they are curious.
They are not always overthinking targets, results, and responsibilities.
Adults often focus only on what feels urgent.
That is understandable, but it can make us stop learning new things.
So maybe the generation gap is not just a problem.
Maybe it is also an invitation to understand each other.
We can support young people without trying to mold them into our old version.
Beautifully said. And sometimes support means entering their world for a while.
Even playing a video game with them can open a conversation.
Yes, connection can start with something small and simple.
Now, let's move into shadowing practice.
Listen, speak out loud, and feel the rhythm of each sentence.
Every generation sees the world in a different way.
I can respect the past without living in the past.
The younger generation has grown up with different tools.
I do not need to compete with my children.
Experience is valuable, but curiosity is valuable too.
I can guide them without controlling every choice.
Technology can be useful when we use it wisely.
I want to understand their world before I judge it.
Sometimes I need to drop my ego and listen.
Children learn quickly because they stay curious.
Adults can keep learning when they stay open.
The generation gap becomes smaller when we spend time together.
Playing a simple game can start a real conversation.
I can support them without trying to mold them.
Understanding is better than arguing about the past.
Great job today.
You practiced useful English about family, change, and understanding.
Do not try to memorize every line.
Just listen again and speak the sentences out loud.
The more you repeat, the more natural your English will feel.
Small practice can make a big difference over time.
Keep going and be proud of your progress.
See you in the next lesson.